Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Bosch Rotak 34R. I want to show you how to set height of this lawn mower. To set the height, you need to hold this handle, bring it up all the way. This is the first one all the way on the top is number 5. We'll bring up the height of this machine. So the gear number 1 is the lowest. Gear number 1 is the lowest, and the machine will be very low to the ground. So if you move it from the number 1, then it goes to number 2. The height will be up. From number 2, it goes to number 3. From number 3, also check the height. The height will be up. Then from number 3, it goes to number 4. You can see the height is coming up. From number 4, it goes to number 5, the highest in terms of the height. From the ground floor to the top, the highest is number 5. And also I want to show you so if you want to open this basket, you need to hold this up, then put your hand to remove it. So you take this basket, go in, then you close this. If you want to start this, you start this from the handle here. Just hold this down, then and use your left hand to press down clutch. This is how to start this Bosch Rotak 34R.